Hi, in this video so I'm going to show you how you can change the front wipers on a Fiat 500. This is a UK model 2013. Just purely for safety, just in case I manage to drop it, I'm just going to put an old coat or a towel or something underneath it, so if you drop it, it doesn't smash the windscreen. Really easy to change these out. So what you have to do is you have to press this little button in here, and then the wiper will simply just pull out. When you get your replacement wiper, you will see that there's a little groove in here. You want that groove to go onto this bit here. So there's a little bit just here. So if we put that groove just onto here, it will feed itself in. So can you see there? It's gone into the groove, and watch this. I'm just going to push it along and it locks into place. It really is that easy. Do that one more time. So pull it out, locate that groove into the little channel here, and it feeds itself in. Really easy. Right, let's move on to the other one. Again, we have the button here, so we press the button in and lift it out. And again, we have the same thing here with the little groove there, and we've got the little bit sticking out here. That one there. So we're going to line them up, push it in, and that's it. So easy to do. Thanks for watching.